waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes and
Oh, that's as tall as you can go? Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time. I have tried to figure out how to film this video, and you know what? To heck with it. Let's just do it. Let's get this over with. Let's do a catch up. First, let me go ahead and commemorate this catch up with a selfie and hope and pray it comes out good, because I don't take good Polaroid selfies at all. 2021. Oh, fridge. I think the approach for this video is I'm gonna shut up and do my makeup and do a voiceover. Let me preface this by saying I have no idea why I'm deciding to do my makeup now. I just felt like doing my makeup. I got a palette a while back and it was a random purchase. It's this palette by Makeup Revolution. It's the Ultimate Nudes in Dark. I've not swatched it. I've not done really anything with it. We'll find out how well it works. I'm just gonna go with it. As with anything on my channel, just flow with it. Let's do something simple. I don't want to do anything all out. Then again, I'm here trying new products such as this by NYX. It is NYX Marshmallow Primer. Oh gosh, it smells kind of like cotton candy from the early 2000s. Let's go ahead and prime the lids with UD, this, which is old, and I'm in the market for a new one, like the one by Fenty for the eyeshadow primer. So Fenty, I feel like sending one. Just saying. That's more pigmented than I thought it would be. Very surprised with how pigmented this is. I like. It's a good cheap alternative to, I think it's supposed to be the Huda palette, but I'm kind of thinking also the 3CE palette. Maybe. I could be wrong. K-beauty lovers, don't come after me, but let me know. I'm asking. I don't know how people do this. Then again, I haven't played with makeup in forever. That's it for the palette. Why is it so bright now? And I got one shot for this. I'm using Honeycomb by Beauty. Oh, it's nude. Okay, we're good. Skip that. I'm gonna try out this lip gloss by Pony Effect. It's the Galaxy lip gloss in, I don't know what shade. Silicone applicator, that's different. I guess that's the finished look. It's a little anticlimactic, don't you think? Oh, I'm a dork. I'm a dork. I'm a dork.